It was not assigned or anything. It was a regular determination.
Regular determination matters. It was
Now,
part
due to the change of determination, his lord has
as I give the slip as well as the all the matters, my lord. As well.
only
Last order.
Matters are there.
There are several matters, my lord.
No, no.
total 37 or
37 matter, but there are several applications, my lord.
So which matter was released by his lordship?
entire bunch was being heard together. The entire bunch yesterday was
Let
released.
us see, our files have not yet come.
No.
After my lord, after my officer receives the file,
Yes, yes.
we will keep one day we shall keep on to be mentioned and fix it.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord. It will be kind enough.
How we proceed.
Yes, because actually the appointment of huge number of candidates is depending upon your lordship's.
এটা দেখো সাহেবের কাছ থেকে এসছে কিনা।
Let us,
So, all those matters were clubbed together.
Yes, yes, clubbed together. All the matter clubbed together. Last order, I handed over the last order, my lord. Yes, yes. Last order, my lord. I just handed over the last order. Last uploaded order, my lord.
various councils were appearing for in different matters for the appellants and some writ petitions. So let all the matters come up and
No, it will come. All right, let us see how it proceeds. We shall.
Yes, yes. My lord, maybe Pandit.
to be mentioned, your lordships are keeping it.
Either we will keep it as to be mentioned, or you can remind us any day. If the
Yeah,
file
yes,
comes, we can fix
Let
it.
it come up as to be mentioned. Then all the councils can be present and the convenient date subject to the
Let us
convenience of.
see, let the files come.
Yes,
Let the
Yes,
files
very well.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
এগুলো মিলিয়ে যদি